Okay, my sharpshooter. This is what's.
Hey!
Now don't hurt him, Brett.
Hey! Freaking finale, get down here! No, that wasn't painful. Holy cow. I never get enough of this stuff.
There's the cross-faced chicken wing.
Cross-faced chicken wing. Go ahead, do it to me, baby.
Regis, take care.
I'm getting to like it.
Party people in the place to be. What's going on? It's me. Any dream will do indeed. Shout out to Santa Clarita. Any dream will do indeed. Right now, I'm dreaming that this next thing that I'm going to unbag is going to be exactly what I want. And the print will be exactly what I want. If you've been here recently and you've seen these unbaggings, then you've seen that they elated with the layout, etc. And then maybe the quality comes down just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. Not sure. We're not passing judgment on it just yet. You know, contrary to popular belief, I don't just pass judgment on absolutely everything. I do. But I'm not doing it here. I'm going to give RIPT the benefit of the doubt. This, by the way, came from RIPT Apparel. Love RIPT Apparel. Digging through some emails, some older emails of mine, seeing what things I haven't bought that I have a little bit of chance to buy now. Me and my shirt geekdom. And we're going to see what this one is like. I don't know if I can trust you, party people. See, the last few, I've shown you first. And then I took a look at him and I was like, that I liked it. I liked, that I purchased this, but also, maybe some printing errors. So I don't know if I should trust you. I don't know. Are you giving me the whammy? Are you giving me the stink eye? Are you wishing that my pasta never sticks to my marinara? There, party people, I thought you liked me. We're gonna see this one. We're gonna check this one out. We're gonna do this together. All right, we're gonna do this together. We're both gonna see it at the same time. I don't know how I can trust you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's that design. And okay, I'm again not entirely sure what I'm looking at in terms of the quality. It's a little faded. It's a bit faded, especially on Jane's face right there. So this is a play on the Pulp Fiction poster. Let me go over here and show you what I'm talking about. So as we look in on Jane's face and it focuses, you see that? It's slightly faded. And up here at the top, slightly faded. Let's take a, it's a little bit. Although on the camera, it's hard to kind of see. On this one on the camera, it's hard to kind of see where the fade may be, but it's not, So let's show you what the shirt looks like unwrapped. There it is. There's a shirt unraveled. As I'm taking a look at it, it's just maybe it's a little bit darker than I thought it would be. Because maybe when I was looking at the print, it looked a little bit lighter. Maybe it's the light in the room that I'm looking at, but I don't know. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna try it on, see what the fit's like. I would imagine the fit will work, but we'll see what the fit looks like, and maybe different lighting. I'll be back. Okay, so this one may also be a lighting thing that I'm kind of looking at here. The fit, obviously, I like the fit. Very breathable, very stretchable. Will probably fit me if and when I lose a little bit of poundage. Looking at the print under different light, it looks a little different. Maybe it may be a lighting thing. So this is why I don't like to pass judgment on these shirts. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to see what these look like in the sun, in the natural sunlight versus, the manufactured light that I have here. I think we're going to take a look and see what it looks like there, and see how these look there. Again, I'm still noticing some stuff with it, like some little holes or whatever, but that's just the perfectionist in me in these shirts. Yeah, with some of these prints, I'm not gonna pass judgment on it just yet. I'm gonna see what it looks like in the natural sunlight first before I say yay or nay on our girl. Here, yeah, I'm still a little, I'm a big fan of Daria. Even got, hold on, la 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 la. This shirt, I love the design. How it's laid out or how it looks in the natural light may be the deciding factor for me. I'm still undecided on this shirt. Ooh, another undecided on the shirt. So it almost looks like it's kind of 50-50 at this point. Party people, it's a nail biter whether this is going to be a overall win for RIPT or not. I'm not entirely sure. This one's the closest to me, even a little bit closer than the Spider-Man one, because there's not really... It's not like... It doesn't have the lines that the other shirts did in certain places. It's some like small imperfections that that might be able to get past, but also the coloring of it looks a little duller than I remember looking at the print, which makes sense. You know, Daria and Jane makes absolute sense that their world would be slightly duller. But I'm gonna go back and check again. Not entirely sure. Matter of fact, let me see if I can find it here. It is a little brighter on the screen than it is on the print. It's not, I don't know or think that it's really that much of a difference to what I'm looking at here on the screen. And again, you know, the screen designs may be slightly different, but I haven't made my decision yet. I like the design. I've wanted this shirt for a long time. Yeah, it's slightly brighter on the screen, but that it could just be a differential of what screens look like versus what real life looks like sometimes when you have it printed out that way. So, you know, this one's a closer decision than the other ones. The other ones I still haven't decided yet. This one I'm leaning a little bit more towards just keeping it because I kind of like the design, and the dull look kind of fits with la 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 la. I'm leaning a little bit more towards keeping it. But you tell me, party people, down there in the comment section what you think. Again, your experiences with shopping online. How hit or miss have they been? Have you had experiences where you saw something online and it looked slightly different than what you wanted, either in color, either in shade, either in brightness, whatever it may be, but it's not, you know what I mean? Like you're in that gray zone where it's not like, oh, send it back, I don't want this, where it's more like, you know, you're kind of wrestling with your own picadillo of this isn't exactly what I wanted, I want it now, you know what I mean? Like you're kind of wrestling between your, you know, your inner brat, your inner perfectionist, and your rational person. It's like, it's not so bad. Like it's close enough for government to work, or it's good enough, or it may even not be bad. It's just the reality of printing something like that versus what it is on a screen versus what it actually is on a t-shirt. Let me know down there in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. I've rambled long enough. Patreon.com/Surreal469. I've started gaming here on the channel too, so catch those whenever you can. I think I'm going to put together a little schedule for those. I haven't entirely decided yet. Also, got a podcast, How Do We Even Get Here? Look for that on Thursdays as well. And go find How Do We Even Get Here on YouTube as well as Podbean and Spotify. That's where we at. In the meantime, the in-between time, party people, I'm going to figure out my inner existential crisis with this shirt as if I'm a member of the fashion club, and you, cheers. Have a nice one.